Hi, and welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today's recipe will be an apple cake, and the ingredients are as follows: 1.5 cup sugar, 1 cup vegetable oil, 3 eggs, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 3 cups tart apple, and 1 cup coarsely chopped nuts. I'll be getting back to you when I'm mixing the ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna start the mixing. In this bowl I got 1.5 cup sugar, 1 cup vegetable oil, and I'll be adding 3 eggs. Okay, I'll be mixing these, the eggs, the oil and the sugar. Mixing them for 1 minute. I'll get back to you when I'm adding the other ingredients. Okay, the eggs, oil and sugar have been blended. I'm gonna add all the other ingredients except the chopped apples and nuts. Baking soda, cinnamon, vanilla, salt, and nutmeg. The oven is been preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, the flour, this cake takes 40 to 45 minutes to bake. Okay, I'll get back when I'm putting the apples and the chopped nuts. Okay, I'm adding the chopped nuts and chopped apples now. Again, this will be for another minute. After this, I'm gonna grease a 9 by 13 inch by 1.5 inch pan. I'll be greasing it, then flouring it, then I'll put this mix in that pan. Okay, the pan is loaded with the mix, and it's really sticky, but with a little effort you'll get to put it neatly in the pan. So I'll be putting it in the oven. Next time you see me, or next time you see the cake, is when I take it out the oven. So see you then. Okay folks, I'm back. The apple cake is finished. Took it out of the oven. It's partially cooled. Just want to let you see the texture when it just came out of the oven. The aroma is great. It just have me drooling. I'm just waiting for the time to come when I get to plate it. So I'm just here looking at the beauty of this apple cake. So see you when I'm plating this cake. See you then. Okay folks, I've taken it out the baking pan, and I'll be cutting it for you to see how the inside stay. Okay. Okay, I've made a slice. How lovely it looks. It's a nice portion. I'm gonna give a taste. I'm gonna taste it. I'll be right back. Okay, take a little piece of the end here. How lovely it looks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. This is so nice. I got to go.